Hey, Michaela.
Morning, Jeff.
Yeah, I want to give you a quick tour of this garage. We just finished it. The clients are out of town, and they said we can come over here and do some Q&A. We get a lot of questions, so I can answer some commonly asked questions for you and show you what we pulled off.
Cool. Wait,
right.
So the client's not here?
No, they're out of town. They're in Arizona, actually.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, our clients are all really sweet, so they usually give us the garage door code. We don't have to get inside for anything, so most of the projects we just handle with them not being here. The only big piece of time we need from them is on the first day for that sorting piece, that client sort. Other than that, we just send them text updates every day, and they appreciate that. They know what's going on, who's gonna be here, what's happening, what our ETAs are. Send them photos of progress, so they feel like they're getting the 411 from afar. You're gonna love this one. You should have seen this place before. There's usually not a mudroom inside in the 80s construction, so the shoes tend to pile up near the door, and the reason we put these shoe shelves on this panel here is these are frequently used items, so we didn't want to tuck them in a cabinet. This is household overflow.
Oh, right next to the door.
Exactly, there's that distance principle again.
So was the floor like this? This is cool.
Oh my gosh, this floor was a disaster. Check this out. So there were so many cracks in this floor and stains. I mean, you could see the cracks on the front here. Look at all these cracks. So this is unique to us. We repair all of these, and then we put a hard cut line here.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, to prevent the slab from cracking. And this is just unbelievable. It looks like brand new. I mean, this floor was in really rough shape. And all of these outlets are brand new. We GFI'd them, so nobody's gonna get electrocuted. All these weights are new. Everything in here is new. The only thing we didn't do on this garage is the garage door.
Do y'all do garage doors?
Oh yeah, we do everything. Full turnkey, done for you, under an hour of your time. That's why clients love us. They hire us, we need them for the first day for a few hours, max, and then we take care of the rest of the project. They can go out of town or drop the kids at school, work. Most people work from home, but still we don't really need to bother them. So during the consultation, we'll spec a custom solution. So everything you see in here is custom for this client's lifestyle. Where we put things, the colors we chose, the products we chose, and then we did a complete lighting system. So let me close this door and I'll show you what that actually looks like. And again, this lighting layout is custom to how they're using the space. So this is a lifestyle space, clearly. They do park a vehicle in here, believe it or not.
So how'd you make it look so seamless?
We have an amazing painter. So we have great specialty trade partners, and we worked really hard for almost 2 years curating our partner network. And quality was the one thing that we're looking for. Quality and communication, because we communicate with our clients like nobody else does. We're texting them every single day updates, so it's important that we can get daily updates from our partners. Yeah, we just have a really fantastic painter. I mean, the drywall here was in really rough shape. There was holes over here. And then when we were doing the electrical, we had to cut all new outlets in. And then obviously they took the popcorn off the ceiling. They had to reflow all the drywall lines. So it's like a brand new garage, and we didn't have to replace the drywall. The garage is working for them now rather than against them.
And so explain this, because I only see these in houses.
Yeah, so this is a split system AC unit. It does heating and cooling. Very, very energy efficient. A lot of times the walls in a garage, this is an exterior wall, so this wall isn't insulated. So how do you condition the space when you want to use it as an extension of your home without blowing your energy bill up? And these are the best solution because they're super energy efficient. We don't have to cut all this drywall out and insulate, which would just be cost prohibitive. The payback would just be, over 10 years, so it makes no sense financially to do it. This is a renovation where we're bringing in our partners and we're doing painting, cabinets, flooring, gym setups, electrical work. This is a renovation. So our clients get a PDF job schedule and they know what's gonna happen every single day. And then once we start work, we start texting. Our clients aren't blindsided. They know who's gonna be there, what time they're gonna show up, what's happening. We have a ton of great videos like this. We have a video on our booking page. You could book a consultation right there. And that video explains, what makes a good fit for our services and what doesn't. So go to our website, book an appointment. I'll come out and do an in-person consultation with you and see what we can do.
Nice.
See you, Michaela.
Bye, Jeff.
Koncept Garage, we create space for your life.